What's up, everybody? Paul Hickey here with your data-driven daily tip. Today we're talking about voice user interface design and how to test your custom Alexa skill before you publish it to the Alexa Skills store. So I'm using a tool called Voiceflow, and my example Alexa skill is called Nashville Voice Conference. It's a tool that conference attendees, featured facilitators, media, and staff can use to get information about the event, leading up to the event, and where they're supposed to be, what they're supposed to be doing, when to arrive, where to park, what's for lunch, what's the schedule of events, and all that stuff. So here we go. Here's how to test the skill using this tool called Voiceflow, which I'm really a big fan of so far. I've built my skill using these speak blocks and choice blocks in Voiceflow. And it's basically a conversation that I'm having with all these different potential attendees of the event. So I'm going to click this play button here that's called test. And it's going to basically simulate for me what's going to happen when I start speaking to Alexa. So I say, Alexa, open Nashville Voice Conference, and then my skill says, hello, welcome to the Nashville Voice Conference. Are you an attendee, a featured facilitator, a photographer or videographer, or a data-driven design employee? I'm going to put facilitator. Now I say this, and then Alexa says, thank you so much for your time and for making Nashville Voice Conference full of great content for our attendees. Would you like to know about timing, parking, or your specific event preparation? Now I can put timing or parking or specific event preparation in here, or I can just put yes, and then it's going to say, sure, tell us your name and we're happy to tell you how to prepare and what to bring. Thanks. And I'm going to put Marcus Whitney, who's the name of our keynote speaker. And it says, hey Marcus, thanks again for taking time out of your busy schedule to be our keynote speaker. And then it basically says all the different details that Marcus should prepare for, as well as how it's going to go down and what we want Marcus to be doing. And then it says flow ended. Now if I want to test this for an attendee, I can do the same thing. I can say attendee, or I can say I'm attending even, because I have that in as a synonym for attendee. And it says, great, thank you so much for attending the first ever Nashville Voice Conference. We know that you will gain valuable insights for your business. Would you like to learn information about check-in, timing, parking, lunch, or schedule events for the day? And I can put timing. And it says, please arrive at Thistle Farms between 10:30 and 10:45 a.m. All attendees will need to be checked in by 10:45 a.m. on July 31st. We will start promptly at 11 a.m. Do you need the venue's address? I can put yes or no. I'm going to put no, and it'll just say, see you on July 31st. Please remember to arrive at Thistle Farms by 10:45 a.m. to check in. So just running different tests of the skill that I built is very, very important. And I'm going to test one more thing. I'm going to put attendee, and then I'm going to put schedule is a synonym for the full phrase schedule of events. It says we have an amazing slate of programming. Promptly at 11 a.m., Paul Hickey, CEO of Data Driven Design, will introduce our keynote speaker, Marcus Whitney. And then from 11:30 to 1:30, you will rotate through 4 22-minute workshops. Then from 1:30 to 2:30, you will select one of 2 hour-long workshops to attend. Would you like to learn more information about the workshops? Yes. The workshops that everyone will attend are product development and how to build a business around a voice product, presented by Stuart Crane, founder CEO of Voicemetrics, and Paul Cornwell, CTO of Voicemetrics. And I found an error in here. It says CTO or Voicemetrics, so I need to go back and fix that. So I'm going to go back and fix that. But it also says Alexa for Business and Productivity by Kelly Wolf, VP Client Services, Data Driven Design. Ask Data Driven Design and How to Build an Alexa Skill by Paul Hickey, founder, CEO of Data Driven Design, and Joe Wallace, CTO of Data Driven Design. The Business of Bots, Alexa or Google by Audrey Wu, co-founder, CEO of Converge. Would you like to learn more about the workshop choice you have from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m.? And I can continue on. I can say yes or no. I'm going to say yes, and it's going to say, the workshops you'll choose from between 1:30 and 2:30 are Healthcare and Voice by Reed McClellan, Matt Sobolski, and Bradley Metrock. Or How and Why to Podcast for Business by Courtney Rogers, Dan Cox, Alan Willis, Danielle McGee. This one's recommended for small business owners and marketers. See you on July 31st. Please remember to arrive at Thistle Farms by 10:45 a.m. to check in. Now, it looks like I got some errors in here. I need to go back through and change my workshop rotation information of voice metrics. And then I think there was another error. Workshop choice. Now in the voice UI design, I'm testing to see, is this going to be too much information in one speech block? And it may, but we're going to probably just go ahead and publish this skill now that we've tested it. And stay tuned for an upcoming data-driven daily tip on how to publish your custom Alexa skill to the Alexa Skills store using Voiceflow. I'm Paul Hickey. This has been your data-driven daily tip. For more free digital marketing tips, go to dataoveropinions.com. To up your digital marketing game, go to datadrivenacademy.org. Thanks for listening to the podcast at paulhickeypodcast.com. And thanks for checking out the Alexa Flash Briefing at datadrivendaily.com. More great content on the YouTube channel at youtube.com/paulhickey. Please subscribe there. And did you know you don't even have to log into Google Analytics anymore, marketers and small business owners, to check your web data? You can just ask Alexa. Go to askdatadrivendesign.com and request your free trial for our custom Alexa skill called Ask Data Driven Design. And to just do business with us, I'd love to talk with you. Hit me up on email at paul@datadriven.design. Thanks and have a great day.